Okay, what did you see yesterday when we went to that barn?
I'm sitting barn.
What did you see at the barn?
A rocking chair.
You did see rocking chairs, and what kind of animals did you see?
A rocking horse.
A horse, and what else?
And a black horse.
What other animals?
And no winter.
Did we see goats?
He goes in the barn.
Saw goats in the barn, and what about geese?
I geese in the barn. I goes in the barn. And horses is at the barn too.
Yep. And what did you sit on?
A tractor.
A tractor, yep.
And a cow.
And you saw cows? What else was in that barn?
Yay.
A what?
And the cow.
A cow?
And the
You were scared?
a cow.
And what did we do at the barn?
And get a black horse. And the chicken. Chop, 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 boo. And the pigs. Wang, 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 walk, walk.
Did you have fun there?
Funny.
You had fun?
Funny.
Say yes.
Country.
Say I had fun.
Fun.
What is it, Tex? Say, what is it, Tex?
It's a boy.
What are you barking at, Tex?
Cow.
He's barking at cows?
Cow.
Camden, what do you have in your hand? Let me see. What other animals do you have?
It's hard.
What? Show mommy.
And a black horse. I got a cow and a black horse and a white bird.
Okay.
I got a pig.
Oh.
Walk, walk.